Hello and welcome to yet another video of the Desi Gift Unboxing.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel because that's what helps us grow.
And if you like our videos, do remember to like, share and subscribe on them.
Also, click on the bell icon to remain notified.
And you can follow us on Twitter and Instagram.
Okay, so what are we unboxing today?
So today's gift is brought to you by Snackable.
Okay.
It is their birthday celebration box.
Okay, so without much ado, let's bring out the box.
Yes, let's get the box out. Yes, so this is a beautiful, colorful box from Snackable. It's a very, the packaging is wonderfully done. The delivery took me 6 days of delivery. So it's reasonably fast also, it does not take too much time. The price of this box is $699. So it's priced well also. So let's open the gift and see how it is.
So this is the box. As he said, this is quite colorful and quite big for its size. This is from Snackable and they claim to deliver healthy snacks. So let's see what's inside.
Yes, let's open the box. Wow.
Okay.
So this is a box full of surprises.
Healthy surprises.
Yes.
Okay, so the first snackable that we have received, it's baked pizza sticks with jalapeno dip, and this is low calorie, low fat, and yes, this is right up your alley.
Absolutely.
You can always eat this while watching Netflix or any other, just chilling.
Yes, this is up both of our alleys. Don't say just mine.
Yeah, so there are a lot more products to go through, so let's see what's next.
Yes, the next one that is cheesy jalapeno quinoa puffs.
Oh, love it. Already,
Yes.
the very word cheese basically sold it to me.
So the idea is cheese and quinoa.
Oh,
So you have cheese on one hand, which is extremely unhealthy but very tasty, and you have quinoa on the other hand.
which is tasty and healthy.
So yes, can't wait to taste this too.
All right. The next one is, let's see, it's dahi papri chaat quinoa puffs.
Wow.
Okay, so I think these products are going to be awesome because I'm already looking forward to eating them all. Okay, what have you got?
Yeah. So the next one is brown rice puff chips.
Okay.
So these chips made up of brown rice. These are roasted, not fried. Very important to remember. With Himalayan pink salt and pepper. And very importantly, these are gluten free.
Great. Okay. The next product is a berry lime zest nan khatai. Nan khatai, if you know, they are like biscuits, and this is a good source of protein. This is made with whole wheat flour and no refined sugar, and a good source of fiber. So yeah,
Very healthy.
very healthy, and from the look of it, I am thinking they are going to be tasty as well.
Yes. So already we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products.
Yeah,
and
we
still
already
the box
have
is full.
5 products.
So the next one that I can see is again jalapeno ragi chips.
Okay.
These are full of iron, helps in digestion, gluten free, very rich in fiber.
Great.
So what is the next one?
So the next one is a choco chip waffle.
Oh,
Yeah,
wow.
it's made of whole wheat and it's full of calcium and iron. Lovely.
Yes. Waffle can never go wrong.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next item that we have, this is cream and onion jowar puffs. These are again high fiber, good source of protein, zero cholesterol and zero trans fat.
So the cream and onion totally got me thinking to the chips that we get in the
Yes.
market, but it's
Jowar puffs.
jowar puffs.
Can't wait to taste this too.
I can't wait to taste any of this. Okay, let's see. The next one is a peri peri ragi chips. Peri peri is one of my
Oh,
favorites.
that's my favorite flavor too.
Yeah, and it's high in fiber and zero trans fat. So all of these, there are notes given at the bottom, and all of them are quite healthy. What's next?
Okay. The next one is the almond energy bar,
Oh,
and this is in the cranberry flavor. It's very rich in protein, made with the goodness of cereal blends, contains rolled oats.
yeah. So this is perfect for somebody like me who is like hungry every 30 minutes. So I love almond.
Yes.
So I think this is for me.
It is a perfect bar for you.
Yeah, this is a perfect bar for me.
And the final product that we have
Finally, we have got to the end.
is wheat and jaggery cookies.
Oh,
Again, something that you love.
I love jaggery. I love jaggery.
Yes.
And I love cookies.
Yes.
So yeah, this is the final product. So overall, how many products have we got here?
So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 products inside this box,
Wow, wow.
which is $6.99 only.
So of 700, we have got this 11 different kinds of healthy chips, cookies, puffs, sticks, pizza sticks. So I think this is going to be a waffle. This is going to be our whole week of snacking is here.
I think it's more than that. You can't finish this within a week.
Oh, you don't know me. I might.
Okay, so now that we have all the products out, what do you have to say this as a gift?
Okay, so somebody, I don't know about anybody else, but somebody like me who is like constantly hungry and looking for things to eat and snack on. So this is like the perfect gift. If somebody gives this to me, I'll be thanking them like for the next year to come. So yeah, I love it. I love it.
Yes. So important to note, everything that you see here is all completely vegan. So it's vegan, healthy products, and so like to get that gluten free, most of the products are gluten free. It's extremely healthy product.
Extremely healthy, and there are little notes. For example, this dahi papri, it says no MSG. And again, these pizza sticks, they are low fat. So if you are conscious and yet you are
Yes.
somebody who likes snacks, so I think this
Yes, this
is
is
the
perfect
perfect
box.
Yes.
Especially if you know somebody who's like in a lot into fitness and like has like stopped eating this chips and all these kind of products, this is a great
Carbs.
alternative for them.
Yeah, great alternative. And already off the top of my head, I'm already thinking of people that I can give this to,
Yes.
and they love me forever.
Absolutely. So if you had to rate this box out of 5, what will your rating be?
I'll give it a 5 out of a 5, and that is me saying without even testing a single of their products. But from the looks of it, I'm quite confident that they are going to taste amazing. But from the price range to the packaging to the number of products they have delivered, it's a 5 out of 5 for me.
Yes, and I can't complain also. It's a 5 out of 5 for me. This is one of the best gifts out there today. For 699 rupees, you're getting 11 products. So that's like even like less than 60 rupees per product. So just more than 60, around 62, 63, whatever, 65, whatever. So this you're getting it at a very good price, all these products, and an assortment of different kind of products. So like I said earlier also, if you know somebody who's into fitness, who is a fitness freak, or somebody who has given
Yet
up
loves snacking.
or probably has given up, like loved those chips and all that, probably has given up on those, like for them to get a box like this is like unbelievable.
Basically, this is a way to give you a guilt-free snacking time.
Yes. Also, it's completely vegan. Everything here that you see is vegan. So that's added on to that. So for me, this is a great gift, especially in the price range that it is there.
Yes, and it reminded me of another group of people who would absolutely love and adore it and will be healthy too. Kids.
True.
Can you imagine all these breadsticks, quinoa puffs, chips,
Yes.
cookies, but
Yes.
without the added carb or sugar or MSG that we get? So for kids, they love it and it will also help them.
Yes, and even like you are going for a housewarming party, somebody's house.
Oh,
just
those
like
are
that.
always there, always there.
Perfect gift for that.
Yes, and if there is nobody to gift it to, you can always buy it for yourself and chill.
Yes, like she said, you can buy it. She will complete it in a week.
Yeah.
For me, ideally,
A
it should
week is
take
a
a little
stretch.
bit more.
A week is. I was going to say the weekend, and then I mended it through, and I said the week.
Yes.
Yeah.
With that, we've come to the end of yet another video. Thank you for watching the video.
And before leaving, don't forget to subscribe because that's what helps us grow.
And if you have enjoyed this video, do remember to like, share, and comment on this video.
Also, click on the bell icon to remain notified.
And you can also follow us on Twitter and Instagram.
Till then, take care, be safe, and we will see you in our next video unboxing.
Yes.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.